the man who was chief of Graves?
Yes, chief of Graves, and he was the one in 1992.
I was looking at my notes actually, and I have a note from him asking me for a book so that he could record the number of people that were being buried.
The people was dying by famine, around 300-400 a day. A lot of people I know, most of my family, and from the rural areas, they died. Father and mother, I know. Not less than 200-300 died. I was unhappy every day when I come with James or with MSF expatriate. I was crying and I was unhappy, and I don't want to recall all that things right now also.
Lesto's an interesting man in so many ways. He is a clan elder, but he carries a weight of history with him and that live in him. What does he say?
He say some people they come here and they want to bring bulldozers and they want to build houses here. Some people they come to me here. I say here it's no good to build a house, something like that. But some people they're coming soon.
But it's a little bit too soon right now, I think.
I used to be in America for a while. I come back. I like my country. I like here. Many people they like to go outside, Canada, America, Europe, whatever, but I don't like. I want to stay here, die here. Make life here.
Yes, it's difficult emotionally for a man like Lesto to be in Baydhabo, but it is his home, and he lives it, come what may. That is beautiful.